Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to clear Verizon router history. So first, I want you to go ahead and launch your browser, okay? And then you need to enter your router's IP address on the address bar. You'll usually find this on your router, on the front or the back, on a sticker or on the manual. Then enter your router's username, the admin username and password. Okay, you'll usually find this as well on the sticker or in the manual. It's the default one. And click on login. And on the interface, I want you to click on status tab on the navigation bar. Okay, depending on your model, it might even say advanced or any similar name. Then I need you to go ahead and click on system log or administrator event log on the navigation bar. This will open up your router's system log. Then what you need to do is click on the clear log button or refresh button. Okay, and if you're prompted to confirm your action in a pop-up, just click on OK or yes. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.